This week scared a lot of people, and honestly, I get it. US military operations running across the Middle East, missiles and drones hitting multiple countries. Market drops 2.5% in a single afternoon. $690 billion gone. Just like that. Your phone is blowing up. Your buddy says, sell everything. Your cousin says, move to cash. And you're sitting there thinking, what do I actually do right now? I've watched this exact pattern before in 2003, in 2008. In 2020, every single time the investors who stayed calm built wealth. The ones who panicked locked in their losses. The difference was never intelligence. It was one thing, understanding what's actually happening versus what feels like it's happening. Right now, those two things are very different. So today, 4 stocks. Large cap, real, safe. Built for the next 3 to 6 months. No hype. Let's go. Real quick. The situation. The Middle East is in active conflict. Countries are burning through defense stockpiles faster than anyone planned. Markets hate uncertainty. And right now, uncertainty is everywhere. But markets don't stay uncertain forever. They reprice. And the window between the panic and the repricing, that's exactly where the opportunity lives. Oil looks tempting right now. Up 15, 20%. Don't chase it. Global inventories are historically elevated per the latest IEA data. The moment ceasefire talks start, that trade collapses overnight. The real money is somewhere else. 4 places specifically. Number 1, Nvidia. Ticker symbol NVDA. Modern warfare in 2025 runs on AI, autonomous drones, AI targeting systems, battlefield intelligence processed in milliseconds. Every one of those systems runs on Nvidia chips. The US military's AI push, just massively accelerated by this conflict, needs GPU power that only Nvidia can supply right now. And that's before counting the commercial AI build-out still happening simultaneously. Stock is down 20% from its highs. Revenue grew 78% last fiscal year. Data center segment, which feeds directly into defense AI, up over 400% in 2 years. A war just poured rocket fuel on this timeline. Worth watching during pullbacks, this is the one. Number 2, Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT. Most people still think Microsoft is Office and Xbox. It's not. Microsoft holds the JWCC contract, Joint Warfighting Cloud Capability, a multi-billion-dollar Defense Department deal. Classified workloads, battlefield communications, intelligence processing, all on Azure. Every defense contractor and government agency scaling up right now, doing it on Microsoft's cloud. Stock is down 20% because the market got scared about AI competition. But in a conflict that demands more cloud computing and more secure communications, Microsoft isn't losing business. It's gaining it. Not exciting right now. That's exactly why it's interesting. Number 3, RTX Corporation, ticker symbol RTX. $75 billion company, decades of defense history, solid dividend. And right now, a very specific near-term catalyst. Their Patriot missile defense system is being actively used across the Middle East. Every intercept burns through stockpile. Countries are watching reserves drop fast. What comes next? Rebuild orders. Every nation in the region will place emergency procurement orders. Those orders go to RTX. Those announcements hit in the coming months. Each one moves the stock, plus $90 billion in projected revenue this year, and a dividend that pays regardless of what markets do. Sleep well at night stock, with a real catalyst on top. Number 4, Alphabet, also known as Google, ticker symbol GOOGL. This one surprises people. Stay with me. Alphabet is down big this year. AI competition fears, ad revenue concerns, antitrust pressure. Market got loud and stock got hit. What the market is missing, Alphabet has Google Cloud embedded in US government and defense infrastructure. Google DeepMind, producing work with direct defense applications. And most importantly, over $100 billion in cash sitting on their balance sheet. While other companies freeze and pull back, Alphabet buys back stock, acquires at distressed prices, and invests while competitors are scared. When uncertainty spikes, institutional money rotates back to companies too big and too cash-rich to fail. Alphabet is exactly that. Flight to quality wrapped inside a growth stock. Rare combination. 4 stocks, 3 to 6 months. Nvidia, defense AI, only supplier that matters. Microsoft, military cloud backbone, getting more valuable daily. RTX, world ran out of Patriots. Rebuild orders are coming. Alphabet, $100 billion cash fortress. Institutions always come back here. These are real businesses with real revenue and real reasons to be worth more 3 to 6 months from now. Do your own research. Talk to your financial advisor. But if you want my honest take, these 4, right now, while everyone else is panicking, drop a comment. Ooh, which one?